Hi, I'm Asata and I'm going to prepare a cheese-free pizza. I'm starting off with a frozen pizza crust from Trader Joe's and I'm working on top of a sheet of parchment paper. I'm using a store-bought marinara sauce as my base, but a homemade one would work great. My oven has already been preheated to 420 degrees Fahrenheit and I've placed the sheet pan I'll bake this on in the oven. I'm now adding sliced red and orange bell peppers. Now I'm adding some broccoli rabe that I've sauteed in grapeseed oil and seasoned with sea salt, black pepper, and onion powder. Next is some lion's mane mushrooms, which I've also sauteed in grapeseed oil and seasoned with sea salt, black pepper, and sea kelp. Lastly, I'm adding chopped sun-dried tomatoes. This will go in the oven for 10 minutes and will be ready to eat when the time's up. Thanks for watching.